puncture in your tubeless tire can end your ride in a hurry. Park Tools TPT-1 can help you out, and the process is quite simple. Locate puncture in tire. Inspect for and remove any foreign objects that may have caused the puncture if still present. Unthread cap from TPT-1. Insert tool into puncture and ream damaged area by pushing the knurled section of the fork back and forth through the puncture. Remove one plug from the packaging and insert through the forked end of the tool until the plug is halfway through the fork. With plug installed, insert tool into puncture. The plug will fold in half as tool is inserted. Push until roughly 1/4 of the plug ends are still visible. Push plug retainer down onto the tire body where plug is protruding from the tire. While holding plug retainer in place, withdraw tool from the tire. Refill tire to test plug. If puncture is excessively large, multiple plugs may be needed. Tubeless tire plugs are considered a temporary solution, so your mileage may vary. Thanks for plugging along with us and have a wonderful ride.